Car jacks provide safe, quick lifting for emergency tire changes and roadside repairs, ensuring preparedness, convenience, and driver safety during breakdowns. Today's video is about top 5 best car jacks for emergency repairs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AV Steel Low Profile Floor Jack. If you need a dependable floor jack for everyday vehicle maintenance, this 2.5-ton hydraulic floor jack is an excellent option for passenger cars, coupes, hatchbacks, and sedans. Its low-profile design, with a minimum height of just 3.4 inches, easily slides under sports cars and lowered vehicles where standard jacks often can't fit. The hydraulic system provides a lifting range from 3.4 to 14.6 inches and supports up to 5,000 pounds, making tire changes and routine repairs quick and effortless. Built with durable steel construction, it features a single-piston quick-lift pump that raises your vehicle with minimal effort, while the rear swivel wheels ensure smooth maneuverability. Safety is also a priority, thanks to the built-in overload protection valve and the large 360-degree rotating saddle that enhances stability during lifting. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive 24/7 customer support, this floor jack delivers reliable performance, durability, and peace of mind for DIY mechanics and home garage users. Now our second product is Tanda Floor and Hydraulic Car Jack. This hydraulic floor jack is a practical and reliable choice for routine vehicle maintenance and emergency roadside repairs. With a lifting capacity of up to 3,800 pounds, it's well suited for most passenger cars, offering a lifting range from 4.9 to 11.8 inches. The heavy-duty steel construction and rust-resistant finish ensure long-lasting durability, while the hydraulic lifting system provides smooth, controlled, and efficient operation with minimal effort. Safety is enhanced by a built-in bypass valve that helps prevent overloading, giving you extra confidence during every lift. Maneuvering the jack is easy thanks to 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters, allowing it to roll smoothly into position. A convenient carrying handle makes transportation simple, whether you're moving it around the garage or storing it in your vehicle. Its compact, space-saving design also fits neatly in a garage corner or car trunk. Combining durability, portability, safety, and ease of use, this hydraulic floor jack is an excellent value for DIY mechanics and everyday drivers seeking dependable lifting performance. Our third product is Jack Boss Racing Floor Jack. If you need a powerful yet lightweight floor jack, this 3-ton aluminum and steel model is an outstanding choice for both home garages and professional use. With a lifting capacity of up to 6,600 pounds and a range from March 15, 16 to 18 and 5/16 inches, it's ideal for most sedans, SUVs, MPVs, station wagons, travel trailers, and minibuses. The low-profile design easily slides under vehicles with limited ground clearance, making it especially useful for sports cars and lowered vehicles. Its dual-piston hydraulic system delivers fast, effortless lifting, while the large rubber saddle helps protect your vehicle's frame during use. Built from a combination of aluminum billet and welded steel, this floor jack offers an excellent balance of strength, durability, and portability. Steel rear casters and swivel front wheels provide smooth maneuverability, and the sturdy handle makes carrying convenient. Professionally tested to meet ANSI/ASME PASE safety standards and backed by a 1-year warranty, this floor jack combines performance, safety, and reliability, making it a smart investment for any vehicle owner or DIY mechanic. Now number 4, Torin Heavy-Duty Hydraulic Floor Jack. This 3-ton hydraulic floor jack is a dependable and heavy-duty tool designed to handle a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. With a lifting range of 5.12 to 18.31 inches, it provides the versatility needed for tire changes, brake work, and routine maintenance. One of its standout features is the dual hydraulic pump, which raises the jack to its maximum height in as few as 7 strokes, saving both time and effort. Built from durable heavy-duty steel, this floor jack is designed for long-lasting performance and excellent stability, even during demanding jobs. Safety is a top priority thanks to the integrated overload protection valve, which helps prevent damage from excessive weight and ensures reliable operation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this jack delivers smooth lifting, solid construction, and dependable performance. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it offers excellent value, making it a smart investment for anyone looking for a reliable hydraulic floor jack for regular vehicle maintenance. And our last choice is a Lixwicken heavy-duty scissor car jack. The Lixwicken 3-ton scissor jack kit is a reliable and practical solution for emergency tire changes and routine vehicle maintenance. With a safe load capacity of up to 3 tons, it provides stable and secure lifting for most sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and light trucks. Its lifting range of 3.7 to 15.2 inches offers excellent versatility, making it compatible with a wide variety of vehicle chassis. Constructed from thickened alloy steel with a rust-resistant coating, this jack is built for long-lasting durability and resists bending or deformation even with frequent use. What makes this kit especially convenient is its complete set of accessories, including a ratchet wrench, lug wrench, sockets, gloves, and a storage bag, so you have everything needed for roadside emergencies or garage repairs. The ergonomic ratchet wrench provides a comfortable grip and improved leverage, allowing for faster and easier lifting with minimal effort. Compact, durable, and easy to use, this all-in-one scissor jack kit is an excellent addition to any vehicle, giving drivers extra confidence and preparedness wherever they travel. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.